6 drinks that may support your health naturally. Treat these drinks as part of a healthy lifestyle, not as a replacement for medical care. Number 1. Water is essential for healthy kidney function. Number 2. Green tea contains antioxidants that may support brain health. Number 3. Coconut water can help with hydration and provides electrolytes. Number 4. Ginger tea may help support digestion. Number 5. Turmeric milk contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Number 6. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which may support healthy blood flow. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and healthy lifestyle habits are essential for overall health. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not provide medical advice. The information presented is based on general nutrition and wellness research. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, or if you have any medical conditions. Which drink would you like to add to your daily routine? Let us know in the comments. Share this video with your family and friends, and tell us about your experience after 30 days. Subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator tips. See you in the next one. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical YouTube tips, AI tools, and content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.